Hello and welcome to day 3 session. Hope you enjoyed last two sessions. Yesterday I shared about lead generation for high ticket B2C businesses. Or instead of high ticket, can we call it as products or services with long sales cycles? Then we saw different lead generation funnels. And at the end, I shared my lead generation blueprint. Let's move on to next stage, and that's today's content. Today on third day of 15-day course, I will be sharing about when should we use funnels, different types of lead magnets, different traffic sources, and how you can qualify for the surprise grid. Okay, let's start with point number one. Now we know that we need leads and we need to initiate a process of lead generation for that. But there is a concept that says if your business is low ticket B2C, then you don't need to generate leads at all. I did put my perspective on that aspect in day one session. If you did not watch it yet, please go back to that video and go through it. To generate leads, we need funnels, but not all the times. Funnels are usually not needed when your business is into either low ticket B2C or extremely high ticket B2C or even B2B categories. Okay, don't get confused. I will explain with examples over here. Let's start with low ticket B2C example. Assume that you are running a highway side restaurant or a dhaba and you don't have any need to reconnect with your customers. Then, in that case, you just need to increase your branding activities for enhanced visibility. So you can attract new customers every day. For this, you don't need any sort of funnel, right? Because simple. Another example is high ticket B2C. Have you ever seen an advertisement on TV or on Facebook or LinkedIn profile about an aircraft? No, because the person who is expected to buy an aircraft does not have time to sit in front of TV set or scroll the news feed on Facebook or LinkedIn. Isn't that simple? So no need of a funnel over there as well. One more example for high ticket B2B category is a, let's say, a software company selling enterprise level software applications such as ERP solutions. Similar to the previous example, the decision makers would not be available just like that. Such as such solutions or product development company will have to propose their solutions via trials, customizing according to buyer's needs, and then sell it. It's a time consuming method. It could take anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, or even a year, or in some cases, more than a year too. It's not advisable to have a funnel for such complex business offerings. So now the question is in what situation we should have a funnel, or is it even really necessary? It is must to have a funnel when your product or service is just in the middle of the two ends mentioned above. Remember yesterday's example of health center membership. Ideal sales cycle time could be between 2 weeks to 6 weeks and maximum of 12 weeks. Because if it is more than 12 weeks, it's high probability that the person will not buy. Let me share with you one more example. Let's say you are an interior designer and provide services to residential apartments. Then your sales cycle usually involves stages like you get an inquiry, discuss the scope, the prospective customer validates by looking at your previous work, negotiates, and then contract confirmation happens. So in this case, you can have your funnel system where initially you build a profile, attract your prospective customers around the profile, keep sharing your ongoing project works, projects successfully delivered, and testimonials from happy customers. So all this showcasing will have to happen. Offer some free consultation, handle their objections, and then some free tips about interior designing, and then move your potential clients towards contract closures. Such are the scenarios where you need the funnel. In short, When you have a considerable sales cycle, your prospective buyer needs some kind of a nurturing, and if the upsell is possible. Hope it's clear. If not, and have any question, ask in the group. Now let's move to the next point, and that is different types of lead magnets. For any kind of funnel, you need the lead magnet. In simple words, the lead magnet is nothing but an ethical bribe given to attract someone. Don't look as weird. This is completely normal. For example, I already explained you yesterday. We will see some more examples today, and I assure you that your mind will be blown away by looking at this. As mentioned yesterday, free PDFs, ebooks are the best lead magnets against which people are ready to share name, phone number, email address, and many more details. And so does the short courses and free lessons of some long courses as well. Even few chapters of your book can also work well. If you take an example of a learning platform called Udemy, you search for your topic where you want to learn, and when you see the courses, you will see some chapters like lesson 1, lesson 2, some some chapters of the course or some sessions of the course will be freely available for you to explore what kind of teaching is, what is covered into it, and everything. And then if you feel good about it, then you go and buy that course. Same goes with the books, high price books. For that, the author gives or the seller gives some chapters of the book as free. You go through, you understand the writing style, and then you get some kind of a concept about what the book is about. And then, if you like, you go ahead and buy the book. Then, another example is product trials. This also works very well when you have products on monthly membership types. And the best example for this are Netflix membership, Amazon Prime membership, and all these kind of platforms. Internet service providers also use this type of free trial combination. Like they give 1 month free subscription after if you buy 6 month subscription, or if they give 2 month subscription free if you buy a 1 year subscription, like that. You can give free checklist, templates, and strategy consulting sessions if you are into kind of a consulting uh, type of domain. Dealers in automotive sector use free test rides, and real estate builders showcase the sample flat. Free therapy or checkup is being used by healing practitioners. Exclusive group access is being provided by tutors, trainers, coaches, and mentors. Free audits is being used by consultants. Free coupons are used by online sellers. Case studies, surveys is mostly used in B2B sector. Webinars, seminars, and workshop is again used by many different professionals. So like that, there are many more examples out there. And if you are creative enough, you can build your own lead magnet, which is not there out yet. So covering everything is highly difficult in such short duration course. So I suggest you to go out, observe your market, and identify those are relevant for you. So next point is different traffic sources. Traffic is nothing but the term used for the visitors onto your landing page or a website or any online page or profile. So there are mainly categorically three different type of traffic sources: organic search traffic, paid search traffic, and the paid ads. Okay. So all the visitors who landed on your page or profile by search only, you don't pay anything to anyone to buy this visit to your page. For example, you sell jewelry online and you have created a website for that. Someone want to buy a set of necklace and searches on Google about it. And on this search result, he discovers your website and then clicks on it. This way, you got the organic search traffic on your website. Each search result on Google displays both paid as well as unpaid listings. So the unpaid listing is called organic search. Though we don't need to pay anything for generating organic search traffic, it's equally difficult to get listed on top of the searches. It takes a lot of time and also needs creative, valuable, and originality of content on your web pages. Now, about paid search traffic. It is very simple. Every search engine has its own ads platform. If you get an account on that platform, pay them and run ads. There are also some bidding algorithm because you are not the only one buying their space, and hence your ad goes through competitive bidding process, and where you win your ads gets displayed. You get charged either on impressions or on clicks. This is also called as display ads. Benefits of such ads are unlimited source of traffic to tap into. Display ads are cheap. You can run text-based display ads or image ads. You can also do retargeting with display ads. These type of ads also carries some disadvantages, and those are the ads are shown to people who do not have the intent. Click-through ratio will be less. Conversions will be less. Sometimes you might get invalid clicks to your ads and you will still get charged for it. These are bot clicks and not real human clicks. Display ads are ignored by people and become less effective over the time. Google display ads. Now let's understand Google display ads. Google display ads are excellent source of traffic because they don't just run image ads but also text ads. The text ads looks like content on many websites and they get a good CTR. CTR means click through rate. When you run search ads on Google, you can enable the display network along with it. Google will run a combination of search ads and display ads called search ads with display select. Based on the search queries, Google knows the audience who are more likely to click on the display ads and shows the ads only to them. Such display ads are well targeted and get better CTR than generic banner ads. Another example is Facebook ads. Facebook is one of the biggest display and ad network in the world. They run ads on Facebook platform, but they also run ads on their audience network and associated apps like Instagram and other websites. You have the option of running image ads or video ads. In Facebook ads, you can't run only text ads. You either have to run image ad or video ads. Many times, image ads outperform video ads because all we want to do is to capture people's attention and get them to click on our ads to visit our web pages. There are so many options and strategies within Facebook ads that it is beyond the scope of this lead generation course to explain it. I recommend that you check out my Facebook ads pyramid formula if you want to learn more about Facebook ads. Then another type is native ads. The third type of display ads I would recommend is native ads. Native ads do not look like ads, but they look like a content recommendations. If you have observed around news websites, you would have noticed it. One of the downside of native ad is that the ads are generally very low quality. People advertise all sort of things when it comes to native ads, but at the same time native ads can give very low cost of traffic and they are great for branding. One of the native ad network that I would recommend is Taboola. There are many native ads networks, but I would recommend Taboola the most because it gives the highest quality traffic in Indian audience, and they have placement of their ads in reputed publications and the online magazine. So that's all about today's core topic. But here comes the most attractive part in this session, the surprise gift to winners at the end of this 15-day course. Yes, I mentioned winners because there will not be only one winner, but there can be multiple winners. Okay, so let's see who who can win this. surprise gift. Okay, so there is a criteria, and the criteria is you should go through all the sessions every day. Okay, and once you go through the session every day, share your top learning from that each day, every day on our Facebook group. And all of them who do this consistently will win the surprise gift. Okay. Now, you must be wondering how to do this. Okay. Sharing your top learnings every day from your from each day content, where to share these learnings and everything. Like as I told you in our private Facebook group, I will create a post for each day learning. You can scroll to that specific post and comment your learnings in that day's post. Remember, you have to comment on the day's post and not making new posts in the group. As in, there are already two posts about day one and day two. So you can go to those posts and put your learnings respectively on each day. कहने का मतलब क्या है? सिंपल है. हर रोज आपको आप जो भी सेशन देखोगे उस सेशन का एक पोस्ट होगा ग्रुप में. उस पोस्ट पे जाके आपको उस दिन का लर्निंग डालना है. लेट्स से अभी राइट नाउ हम थर्ड डे पे है. थर्ड डे पे होने की वजह से हमारे पास ऑलरेडी दो पोस्ट है. डे वन का पोस्ट है और डे टू का पोस्ट है. डे वन और डे टू के पोस्ट पे आपने जो पिछले 2 दिनों में लर्निंग किया है उसका टॉप लर्निंग जो भी आपको लगता है कि दिस इज व्हाट यू लर्न, दिस इज व्हाट न्यू थिंग यू गॉट, आप वो पोस्ट पे जाके उसके कमेंट में आपको डालना है कि आपका क्या लर्निंग है. सिंपल. डे वन के पोस्ट पे डे वन का लर्निंग, डे टू के पोस्ट पे डे टू का लर्निंग. डे थ्री का पोस्ट आज आएगा शाम को. जैसे ये रिलीज हो जाएगा, ये वीडियो रिलीज होने के बाद आपको पोस्ट आएगा. उस पोस्ट पे डे थ्री का लर्निंग डालना है. सिमिलरली ईच डे, डे थ्री, डे फोर, डे फाइव टू डे 15, एवरी डे जो पोस्ट करेगा अपना लर्निंग वो विनर होगा. एंड एक विनर नहीं होगा, जितने लोग कंसिस्टेंटली करेंगे, all of you who do this diligently will win a surprise gift. I will not share what that gift will be, but it will be definitely worth 5,000 rupees. कौन सा गिफ्ट होगा ये मैं शेयर नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन ये गिफ्ट सबको मिलेगा जो डिलीजेंटली ये फॉलो करेंगे, और वो अराउंड 5,000 रुपीज वर्थ का होगा. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम शेयरिंग. बट अभी आपको ये सोच रहे हो कि आप why I am doing this. Now you must be wondering why I am doing this. Look, जब मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया मेरा जर्नी, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का जर्नी अराउंड 5 साल पहले, so I have gone through lot of free courses, paid courses and all memberships and everything. All in all, अगर मैं कैलकुलेट करूंगा तो टिल डेट सिंस माय लर्निंग, मतलब 5 साल के ऊपर, और ये पूरे पीरियड में I have invested more than 15 lakhs in my learning. Okay, and there were many other good coaches and consultants from whom I learned, and they have given a lot of information to me. But what I was missing is there was a lot of struggle period, and the core reason was I was learning, and only learning. I was not implementing anything. Okay, so I want you, though you have got this course for free, if you really want to make out something out of this course, you'll have to take some action. Okay, so the first action is to put down what are your learnings diligently. Okay, once you put down, that will go in your subconscious, and then you will be kind of motivated to implement those learnings in your own business, right? So if you are genuinely serious about taking out of something out of this course, even though this is free course, then follow these steps. Start with this implementing. You will also get some more action items in future as well. Follow all this, and that's why I genuinely want you to get benefited out of this course. It's just not a lead magnet for me. I would like to give value to you, and I want you to make progress out of this, and that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so I hope you got the point over here, and you will diligently follow this uh, the steps what I have given right now. Okay, it is just third day of the course, and we have covered a lot of fundamentals and theory. Let's have a quick review of it, what we have gone through till now, kind of a summary. So we have understood what is a lead and what is not. Then we have gone through when to do lead generation, B2B and B2C concepts, what is low ticket, what is high ticket, and all concepts about it. What are different funnels, types of funnels, what is the definition of funnel. So we have gone deep into it, and different traffic sources. Okay, so we have gone through motamoti different types of traffic sources, but there are a couple of more uh, traffic sources which I would like to share, and that will be on tomorrow. The traffic sources are affiliates, referrals, and my EATT format. Okay, that's an you can say it's a secret, but it's an open secret. It's available everywhere, but I put it in a nice and understandable way, which is called as EAT platform. Sorry, EAT format. I call it as a EAT format. EATT. Okay. So don't forget about taking action and earning a gift worth 5,000 rupees. Happy learning. Thank you, and talk to you tomorrow.